Finally, here we have the first official look of Galaxy Z Fold 5. The first seemingly official Galaxy Z Fold 5 image has been leaked online today. It appears to be a marketing image for the new foldable device that's due to be unveiled next month. It's not surprising that the more serious leaks have now started to come up as we're just over a month from the official launch. There have been several Galaxy Z Fold 5 leaks already, including computer-generated renders that have given us a good idea of the device's design. This purported marketing image of the new foldable device is in line with the earlier leaks, so this might be our first look at the upcoming flagship foldable. The image posted by Smart Price shows a design not unlike the one that we've seen in the leaked renders. The subtle design changes include more refined edges, a sleek camera cutout, and what appears to be a new hinge design that makes the device thinner and reduces the gap between the panels. An S Pen can also be seen in the image. It goes without saying that this device will support the S Pen like its predecessor. However, the stylus will need to be purchased separately, as Samsung still doesn't ship the S Pen with Galaxy Z Fold devices in the box. Everything else, such as the speaker grills, microphone placements, etc., appear to be in the same place as the outgoing model. Based on what's known so far, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. It will feature a 7.6-inch foldable display with QHD Plus resolution and a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus cover display. The device is also said to feature a 4,400 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Samsung has confirmed an unpacked event for July 27 in Seoul, South Korea, where it will undoubtedly be unveiling the Galaxy Z Fold 5 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Based on reports, the new foldable phones will go on sale come August 11. That's it for today. What do you think about Galaxy Z Fold 5? Let me know in the comments section. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.